Kodal Minerals. We're an AIM-listed company with a focus on West Africa. Our principal project is the BOUGOUNI Lithium project in Mali. Quick disclaimer there, but our key points that I'd like to address today is, number one, we're West African focused. We're looking to develop a lithium mine, so the first lithium mine to be developed in Mali. We've got a very strong technical team and corporate team based here in London, a major shareholder who's approximately 25% of the company, supported by one of the Chinese lithium carbonate producers with whom we have an offtake agreement in place. So for a junior, we're very well positioned, we're well supported. And being in Mali, we're in a pro-mining jurisdiction that's looking for development. Just a few seconds to highlight what I think everyone understands, that the electric vehicle boom is continuing. It's going to be a key driver in the future for the increasing demand for lithium. We're currently in a period of some pressure on the lithium price and short-term issues. However, in my view, we're all aware that the change is coming, driven by personal demand, by government legislations, and importantly by technical advancement. So as batteries get cheaper, more efficient, and a better utilisation of the power, it increases demand. So this is a key industry to be involved in, and you'll see a number of points there about legislative drivers as well. What we have for our lithium project is projects approximately 180 kilometres south of the capital, accessed by good quality bitumen road, secure tenure, highlighted there with number one, our BOUGOUNI Lithium project, which is our flagship and where we intend to commence mining. And secondly, the BOUGOUNI West project, where we've added another 200 square kilometres of land earlier this year with the Mafele and Kameni West licences. Again, highly prospective. BOUGOUNI is a very exciting area and a new opportunity for Mali for lithium development. What we have defined so far, and just on 3 prospects that we did some more detailed drilling, we recognise that we've got a large land holding with considerable exploration upside. What our strategy has been is to define a mineable resource as quickly as possible so that we can move to production, knowing that our licence extends for many years post commencement of mining and gives us the opportunity to define a long-term operation. What we have defined so far is 21 million tonnes of 1.1% lithium oxide. When we look at that running through a Whittle optimisation for mining studies, we convert about 18 million tonne of that to mineable resource so far. So a very good conversion ratio, giving us an expectation of a 10-year plus mine life. What we're looking at with our project so far, and again, for a junior mining company, we are actually quite well advanced and full into our mining study. What we're seeing here is our proposed mining development with a central mining plant followed up with an initial 3 open pit mines operated from our Ngualana, Sogolabale and Bumu prospects. We're looking at a 2 million tonne per annum treatment plant, thinking that we're having a combination of DMS and flotation to improve our overall recovery, giving us an expectation of 150 to 175,000 tonne per annum of a 6% spodumene concentrate. We're very close to the township of BOUGOUNI. We have existing infrastructure in place, which we'll happily take advantage of, but we also have a need for some development within our project, which is all accounted for in our feasibility study. As I said, an existing offtake agreement in place makes this a very attractive proposition. Quickly through where we are in terms of our development pipeline, our ESIA is complete. It's submitted, it's gone through all the formalities. We're just awaiting for the ministerial sign-off. We understand that's pending. We have completed all the metallurgical studies. We have completed the open pit mine design and plant infrastructure. We're in the process of formalising our write-up for the mine licence application. That involves corralling a group of consultants as well as translating some technical documents from English to French. So there's a lot of verification work going on at the moment, but we're well advanced there. The mining licence application requires the ESIA to be formally approved, but we're still looking to lodge that prior to the end of this year. And then, as I've said to a lot of people, it looks simple on paper. We lodge our mining licence application and then we begin mine construction, but I'm sure we're all aware that there's a lot of steps in between, including finalisation of our funding. But as we've stated, we have a very supportive major shareholder. We have an offtake agreement in place. We have people behind us who are looking to support our development. So while we are not overly confident of funding, we know we have an operation that will support funding. And just quickly to summarise in an investment term, because that's what we're here for at the one-to-one conference, we're in a high demand commodity with international interest. We recognise that it's a commodity of interest to Mali, who are very supportive of the development. We're in a good location, we're in a secure location within Mali. We've defined already a strong resource with a lot of potential to grow that. A very good team, very highly experienced in West Africa, very highly experienced on a corporate and financing front. And we're continuing our exploration growth to support the long-term mine life, but the key focus for us is the mine development, and we expect to be fully permitted early in 2020, looking to commence construction in 2020, with a hope of some production in 2020, but realistically into full commercial production in 2021. So Kodal, listed on AIM, a focused West African story, a key focus on developing the first lithium mine in Mali, and looking to proceed at a great pace. So nice and quick to finish off for the day, and everyone's welcome to join me for a drink if they've got any questions, and I hope I haven't been too quick. Thanks.